Hello and welcome to Paper Aces, a knockout distance competition featuring 16 incredible paper airplanes. In today's matchup we have Astral versus Dagger, and you can see these are two very different planes. Astral is a glider while Dagger is a very aggressive dart, so this will be a matchup of contrasting styles in flight. So let's see who can come out on top. 3, 2, 1, go! What an absolutely incredible matchup between two excellent paper airplanes. After going down early, Dagger came back to win with a score of 3-2, though you can see Astral had the farthest flight of the race with a distance of 163 feet. With this result, Astral is eliminated from the tournament, and Dagger advances on to round 2 to face Plasma X in what must be a mouth-watering matchup for the fans. And stay tuned, because in just 2 days, Arrowhead will be facing off against Space Chaser in our next round 1 matchup. If you'd like to learn how to fold Dagger or Astral, you can just click on the video tutorials on the left side of your screen. If you'd like to watch the next tournament video, just click on the video on the right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next race.